The next point of chemical weathering is carbonation. Carbonation is the mixing of water with the atmospheric carbon dioxide forming carbonic oxides. So, carbonation is important in the formation of caves in limestone region. When the carbonic acids reacts with the carbonate rocks, the rocks get disintegrated. The third one is solution. The dissolutions of rock substance in water result in losing of the rock particles. This in turn breaks down the rocks. The next one is of the fourth one, hydrations. Absorptions of water into the mineral structures. Sometimes chemical in the rock enlarge in size in humid conditions. These minerals found in the rock swell and this results in the development of cracks and the rock wear down. So this is type of weathering is called hydrations. The next is biological weathering. Biological weathering occurs due to the penetration and expansions of plant roots, earthworms, growing animals look like rabbit and rats, and some human activities. So the next is exomagnetic process, second main heading, gradations. Gradations is the process of leveling of the land by means of natural agents like rivers, groundwater, winds, glaciers, and sea waves. These agents produce various gradational relief features in due course of time. Gradations takes place in two waves. The first one is aggradation, the second one is degradations. Now we are going to learn about aggradations. Aggradation is building up of landform due to natural agents. The second one is degradations, is eroding of land surface. Now we are going to learn about agents of gradations. First, in agents of gradation, we are going to see running water or river. The work of running water, rivers, is the most extensive among all the other agents of gradations. Rivers originate on higher landforms like mountain, hills and plateau that receive water from various sources like the rain, glaciers, springs, lakes and etc. The place where the river originates is called catchment. Area and where it joins the sea is known as the mouth of the running water of the river. So already I have shown in this picture in the right side of your slide. You want to see in the textbooks page number 169. So the next is course of river. The rivers generally originates from mountains and end in the sea or lake. The whole path that a river flows through is called course. The course of a river is divided into three. The first one is the upper course, the second one is the middle course, and the third one is the lower course. So now we are going to learn about the courses of river. The first heading, the upper course. Erosion is the most dominant action of river in the upper course. In this course, a river usually trembles down the step mountain slopes. The step gradient increases the velocity and the river channel performs erosions with great force to widen and deepen its valley. The land features carved by a river in its upper course are V-shaped valley, jords, canyons, rapids, potholes, spurs, and waterfalls. The second one is the middle course of running water. The river enters the plain in its middle course. The volume of the water increases with the confluence of many tributaries and thus increases the load of the river. Thus, the predominant action of river is transportations. So the picture already I want to show you a slide in the right side. In your page that will be there in 169. So it will be given the detailed explanations of the upper course, middle course, and the next one lower course. The picture I have told you now. So the next is depositions also occurs due to the sudden decreases in velocity. The river in the middle course develops some typical landform like floodplains, meanderies, oxbow lakes, etc. The third one is the lower course of the running water. The river moving downstream across a broad level plain is loaded with debris brought down from its upper and middle courses. Large deposits of sediments are found at the level bed and the river split into a number of channels called distributaries. So next time I want to give you the explanation of the tributary and distributary. The main work of the river is depositions and it develops typical landform like delta and estuaries. Now we are going to see that what is the tributary. Small streams that join the main river. Example, river Bhavani. So we have to call that? So small streams will come to join the rivers. So I have to show you in the right side of the cursor. See it? Those we are called tributaries. Distributaries, the river channels that get separated from the main river. Examples, river Kollinam. So main river will be distribute many other small rivers. Look like that we are called distributaries. The central lands we are called that is as delta.